That's a bigger one. All right, guys, we on. Turn this mic on. All right, we're on spot. I don't even know what to call this spot here, but this is one of those spots I've had a couple of productions on. I really wanted to see if there's anything again out here. I wanted to see if this was a productive point or not. Caught a few out here that one day with drop shot fishing, and really want to just see if there's any sizes coming through here today, or see if there's anything over here at all. Don't really like anybody being over here trying this place here. Man, how did all this happen? Let's drop shot here. Try along this bank here and see what's over here. See if there's anything in here. Hold up. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. I feel like I'm fishing. 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 Let's go with the drop shot. It's a shad looking bait. It's like they keep going back down. They'll jump, but they go back down. But I can get more personal with them like this. Right here. There we go, our first fish. Not a big one, that's a fish. Not a big fish, but a fish. And the right species of fish. Right species of fish. We know there's some little ones over there, but we need the big ones. We need your big ones to hit. I know there's maybe some big ones there with you. All right, we got our first icebreaker. Little guy. We're gonna keep, I think we may be onto something. We're gonna go, oh my God, there's some big ones in there. That's what we're gonna do, guys. Yeah, these are some big fish. They running these shads like crazy. You gotta push him in his pocket here. And so what we're gonna do is try to get ahead of him real quick. Try to get ahead of him and just fish from the back of the boat. And watch, we finna start slaying, hopefully. I'm not trying to get too close to him. I want those bait fish to still go in there and still let those bass fish devour them. So that's what our intention is, to get a little closer without spooking them. Now think about right here. Oh my gosh. That's what happens when you forget to pressure to cast, but bigger one. Little guy, but still bigger than the last one. Come here, buddy. Fat little guy. All right, we're finding a couple little guys over there. I believe we're gonna find about a 5-pounder here pretty soon. But we want to save that for tomorrow. It's a little guy. Tell your mama, or your brother, or your uncle, somebody to bite. All right, we caught that one on the smoking shed. Zoom finesse worm. Man, this is one of those bait I always kind of feel like I can go to, especially around rocks. A lot of cover. I've been having pretty decent luck around places like these. I just haven't found the right size. And that's what I'm looking for. And I feel like they're here. I just gotta get it. But that's a fish. But the guy's full of shad. Oh, he swallowed it too. That's what you want to see. Another one. That's a bigger one. He ain't big. He ain't no real big one, but he's way bigger than the other two. He's about a pound. Come here, little buddy. There we go. We got a third bass here. And just like that, we done found ourselves a productive place here. They're getting bigger. They're getting a little bigger. Not the size we need for the tournament, but they, like I said, these bass are looking for opportunities to eat. And they liking this smoking shad today. There go another one. There go another one. Ah, he let it go. Hey, it's a lot of fish right here, man. It's a lot of fish. And I'm not using any graphs, no technology. Just looking at how this wind pushed against this bank here, I figured a lot of shad should be getting shoved against here as well. And these bass look for something that's easy to eat. And rocks seem to be their favorite place. Oh shit, that was a bigger one. I think he broke my stuff. I think he broke me. Oh, he took my bait off. That was a big one right there. I feel like that one was a pretty good one. They're hitting on the fall now. I got them fired up over there now. We might end up catching that big one we're looking for. All right. It can definitely be addictive. It can be very addictive once you keep catching them. They all way in the corner over there, bro. Oh my God, he hit that thing hard. You got it? He hit it like a big fish, but there's some little guys over there right now. All right. Too many of the wrong size right now. All I'm doing right now is just, yep, they're that way now. They're that way too. I'm just trying to see how many fish over here. I really don't want to do too much moving if there's fish here. If there's fish here, I'm gonna believe there's a big fish got to be around as well. They're not gonna let these little fish eat everything up. So watch, just keep paying attention. We're gonna see if we can. I need some 5-pounders, man. Come on, 5-pounders. Y'all out there? That wasn't a 5-pounder. But I know they gotta be out there with them. That like a bigger one. Not a big fish, but he took off like a big one at first. He took off with the heart like a big one. Right species, but wrong size. Damn it, that broke my snatch out of his mouth. That might have been that one. That might have been him. I think he just let it go and yep, he took one. No, he didn't take it off. That might have been him, bro. That might have been that one. It sure fell pretty close. Unless it was just someone hooked against a rock or something, but. That's him. That's him, y'all. That is him. Bro, that was him, dog. That was him, bro. Dang. Okay. I told you he gotta be over here. I foul hooked whatever that was, though. I ain't hooking good, I can tell. That was a really big fish, bro. That was a really big fish. I can feel how he took off with it. Sheesh. I missed that fish. Okay, next time, bro. You get a hit like that, just let him go. Let him go. Especially, that was a great kind of bite, too. That was an ideal bite. There go a good one right here. There go one. That's him right here. Let him run off with it this time. I feel. Whoa, that's a good fish. It's a good fish right here. Hey guys, we finally got us a fish off, a good fish off here. We ain't got him out the water yet, but I guarantee you he's at least a 3 pounder, 3-4 pounder, I say. There we go. There we go. I know if we kept fishing on that tree. I know if we kept fishing on that thing, we'd catch a monster here. And here we go. This is our first good one of the day here. Let's see how much he weigh here. We're gonna see how much he weigh. Let's turn it on real quick. All right, guys, let's see what you're looking at. Uh, 2 pounds, 3.2. Wow. Right, okay. Lost my bait, but I got everything else. All right, guys, we're gonna go give it a shot somewhere else. We found him, but we didn't get him out the water though. I hooked him. I don't know where I hooked him at, but I definitely felt him. And that was at least a 3-4 pounder. So it's gonna be one of the places we're gonna memorize right here. I'm gonna come back here, give it a shot in the tournament tomorrow, and hopefully I actually get him out the water this time. I won't be breaking off or not just losing. I just want to be able to secure me a good place here. And it might not be the place I'm gonna be fishing at here. You never know, you might just have your place. So you always gotta have a few of them set up. So we're gonna drive around and look and see if we can find another one. Catch you at the next spot.